Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today in this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to print WhatsApp document on PC. So to print WhatsApp document on PC, you'll have to first of all log in through a web browser. So you need to open up a browser and you have to go ahead and open up web.whatsapp.com and go ahead and open up your device. So you have to log in from a web browser. Use a scanner in order to log in. Now that you're logged into your account, what you need to do is after that you need to download or print the document, right? So you have to open up the chat page where you actually have the document. So you can see it's the one where I actually have the document. So this is the PDF one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, or I'm going to go ahead and download this, after which I'm gonna open the file location, and then all I'm gonna do is either click on this printer icon, or you could just use the shortcut that is Ctrl+P, and then you need to go and select whether you need to do it all pages or even pages, or and then you need to change the color, whether it's black and white, and make sure to go through the font as well, or the formatting, that is paper size, which it matters a lot, whether it's an A4 or maybe a letter, and click the print button, and this is going to be print, and you've successfully printed your document. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.